In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine in just 5 minutes. This powerful tool offers you the ability to easily create stunning images from text, opening up a world of creativity at your fingertips. Whether you're an experienced designer or someone just getting started with digital art, Grok Imagine is designed to be accessible and effective. So let's dive in and get you set up. The first thing you'll want to do is open Grok Imagine and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, registering is quick and straightforward. So go ahead and pause the video now if you need to set that up. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore the features that Grok Imagine has to offer. Now that you're signed in, you'll see a drop-down menu on your screen. This is where you'll select the type of generation you're interested in. Grok Imagine offers several options depending on the kind of project you want to create. For today, we're going to focus on the text-to-image function, which lets you transform your text descriptions into vivid and detailed images. Once you've selected the text-to-image option, it's time to put your ideas into words. Think carefully about the image you want to create and type a descriptive text prompt in the provided text box. Your prompt can be as detailed or as minimal as you like, but remember, the more descriptive you are, the better the AI's output will match your vision. Take a moment to think about the specifics of your image, such as colors, objects, or even a specific style you're aiming for. After you've entered your text prompt, you'll notice a next arrow on the interface. Clicking this arrow will take you to the next step, where the magic happens. This is where you get to put Grok Imagine's advanced AI to work. You'll be taken to a page where you see the Generate Image button, and this is where the real fun begins. Click on Generate Image, and Grok Imagine will spring into action, using your text prompt to create several image variations. This process might take a few moments, so feel free to sit back and relax while Grok Imagine works its magic. Once the generation process is complete, you'll be presented with a selection of image variations based on your prompt. These images are crafted by Grok Imagine's AI, ensuring a unique and creative representation of your original description. Take your time exploring the different options available. Each variation can showcase a different perspective or style, and you can choose the one that best fits your needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully used Grok Imagine to transform your text into captivating images. Keep experimenting with different prompts and ideas to see just how versatile Grok Imagine can be. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspires you to create stunning visuals with ease. Thanks for watching.